Hello, this is Will Mitchell, and I'm going to be showing you my wiki page today and how I set it up. I went to PB Works to set mine up. You just go to Google, type in PB Works, go to the website, sign up, and it'll take you to a page similar to this one. Before I get into how to edit and do the details out of this, I thought I'd show my page. So from here you can see my home page, and I do teach a course called Jobs for American Graduates at Royal Valley High School. And so I have made my front page is kind of just an introduction to my class. We had a picture when the governor came to visit to see what we were doing and how the class was going, because this is the first year that the class has been implemented statewide in the state of Kansas. There are 25 programs, and Royal Valley happened to be one of them. So this was my first page. My second page includes information about what JAG is. You see I have a graphic here as per what the assignment says, but I go into a little more detail about what a JAG is, and it is truly designed for student success, but also kind of talks about what National JAG is committed to doing. And I've included a video made by students that was submitted to our CDC competition, which is a JAG promotional video. And this link I put in here for this video is some students from South Carolina, and it's their promotional video for JAG, and I thought they did just a great job. But again, that's the second page. And my third page talks about how my students have joined JAG and how future students can join JAG. It includes a downloadable document that includes the commitment form. It talks about talking to the school administrator and talking to the student parents, and once they've done that, some of the things they can experience within the class that other classes don't offer. So that is my class page. We'll go back to the home page. But again, to make a wiki page, I went to PB Works, signed up, and it took me to a blank page. But again, if you want to create a page, you can name your page. We'll call this one JAG 4. And so you get something very similar to this. And when I first started, there were some text. There was some text in there that I just deleted. And then from here, you can come in. You can insert different videos, YouTube links, things like that. You can put your text in here. You can adjust your font and things like that. And so you can begin building your pages that way. And to add a page, you simply just I'm going to hit cancel, as I don't want to save this. I'll hit cancel. We'll go back to JAG home here. But to create a page, you just go up to create a page. It's pretty simple right there. And for each one, you can give it a name, and it'll list them down here. And this is kind of your navigator that shows you how to go through your different pages. You can create them down there. If you want to just have people view, that's the view. If you want to actually edit, you're going to have to go over to edit for each page and click it that way. And then you can go about adding it. If you want to add a picture like I have here, you go over to image and files, and these are ones I've already created, but I can get one off the internet here. You can get one off your computer by upload files. And that's where I go to upload. Once you're uploaded, it'll insert it where you want it. And so I'll go back to views. Your settings here, which I found to be helpful, you can put the name at the top. You can add in a picture, things like that, and that's what I've done here. I've added a picture in with it, but this represents my JAG home page here. Go up to pages and files. If you want to, when you go to the default settings, it has a lot of these things listed here, different pages, and if you want to delete all the pages and start all over, you just go here and click the ones you don't want, and then you can select delete. I don't want to delete any of the images because it'll take it off my pages if I do that, and you can't delete sidebar too, but you can see the pages I've created there. So that's how you can get rid of the other pages you don't want. I've showed you how to add them in. I showed you how to create the pages, of course. But again, yeah, with that you just go to edit, put in anything you want, put the information in here. One thing that I think is interesting, if you're going to invite people to use it in the class, to which I plan on doing, I plan on putting this in newsletters and different things for prospective students to kind of go in and check it out. I'd love to send a newsletter home to parents of prospective students that we want to join JAG, so they can kind of see what JAG is about. And so this class page is a great way for parents to see. Honestly, I want parents to understand what JAG is, but one of the biggest problems I have is when they go to do research on their own, they come up with JAG, the TV show, and so they don't find a lot of information about it, or they hear a lot of other things. But by us having this page, it's going to be great because parents are going to be able to go look at this and see what information it has, be able to get that document without me having to print off a bunch and send it home. And so it's going to be very helpful to me. But from there I go to invite more people, and if I can just get their email address, I can add that in and I'll send it to them. But what I like about this is that I can add what level of the permission level as they are able to do. Of course, I only want them to be a reader. I don't want them to be able to change anything on it. So when I invite them as a reader, where they will just see the view. They won't be able to edit, and I think that's great. On the flip side, I want this to be also a student-led project. So when we do projects, when we add things in, when we go on our field trips and bring on our guest speakers, and when we're going over our job-related curriculum, I want the students to be able to add that in, so it's student-led. And so I can give them an editor, administrator permission where they can go in and make changes to it when I add them. And after you put in their email address, selected which one you want it to be, you go to add users. And so that's how you invite people in. So I think that pretty much covers it. Again, I would go to PB Works, sign up. It'll take you here once you have an account. To get rid of anything you don't want, you go to Pages and Files, delete any of the pages that are there that you don't want. You can't delete the sidebar, but you add your images by going in under Edit, adding files and images here. You can add videos here. You can add your text here, add pages, and things like that. So I think that pretty much covers everything listed, and I hope this helps you. If you have any questions, please let me know.